experiencing any discomfort?
No, I'm very comfortable.
Any painful gas?
No! Shoot, Dr. Chef, what kind of question is that?
Okay then. Would you like to lie down at the table?
No, would you like me to lie down on the table?
I'm sorry, is there something going on here?
Do you feel it too? Hi. Okay, so, how did your doctor's appointment go? Well, let's see. They gave me Q-Boy Doctor today, and in the middle of the exam, I put my pinky in his chin dimple.